According to state officials, Medicaid portals were down Tuesday after President Trump paused federal grants, loans, and other financial assistance. I'm your Mason neighborhood reporter, Sarah Polis, breaking down worries from a neighbor on Medicaid.
Retired from the medical field.
Neighbor Linda Hewson says after retiring from her lifelong career, she stayed on her husband's insurance.
Up until this February, when he urgently lost his job.
When that happened, Hewson and her husband turned to the only insurance they could get.
15 phone calls, and 4 months later, I finally had Medicaid.
Fast forward a few more months to today. When scrolling on her phone, Hewson noticed that Medicaid portals went down.
What does that look like? What does that mean? Hard to tell.
A question brought on by President Trump's executive order freezing federal funds and answered by the White House press secretary Tuesday afternoon.
Assistance that is going directly to individuals will not be impacted by this pause.
But it's still leaving Hewson with the question of why and what's next.
It's one of those things we'll have to wait and see.
I reached out to the Ingham County Health Department and I received a statement saying they know neighbors are feeling uncertain. They say, quote, "We want to reassure our community that we are actively monitoring the situation and working to understand the full scope of these potential budget changes. We remain fully committed to providing high quality health care to the residents of Ingham County. Our focus will remain on planning for the future to ensure that essential services and care continue to be available to everyone who relies on us," end quote. Hewson says for now, she's keeping faith and hope that Medicaid stays and portals will be back up and running.
I always go with faith over fear.
In Mason, Sarah Polis, Fox 47 News.